Very good morning to everyone. Myself, Joydeep Borla, Professor and Director, Purjo Kumar Bhuyan School of Social Sciences. So I will just make a brief presentation on the school. I joined my university in welcoming all of you. Just one line on Purjo Kumar Bhuyan, after whose name the school is established. He is a noted historian of this region. He is a pioneering in historiography of Assam, and he was also the second Vice Chancellor of Guwahati University, following Krishnakanta Handike, so whose name the university is established. About the school, it consists of 7 disciplines. Seven. Economics, education, philosophy, political science, history, sociology, and social work. We offer 4 types of academic programs. Undergraduate program in all the disciplines, both past and major, and postgraduate program in 4 disciplines: economics, education, political science, and sociology. Education we have got last year for masters. Research program, MPhil of course it will not be there, but we had MPhil scholars working, and then PhD. And we have 2 diploma programs. Earlier we had a very big program supported by Government of Assam, that is for in-service teachers training, diploma in primary teachers education. And now we have a diploma in parliamentary and constitutional studies. It is a certificate program run by the political science department. And as you are aware, sir, we have also got a MOOC this year.
Yes, we have been informed.
Yeah, so this is the MOOC, and she is the coordinator, Preeti, who was circulating the batch. And we are already completing the recording of these things. The course will be launched from 1st of January next year. And then we are probably having the total good number of enrollment over, I think, 150 plus. 170. Wow.
This course.
This course. This is what we have faculty members, 1 professor. I am professor. I previously worked in an ICSSI institute based in Guwahati, Omyo Kumar Das Institute of Social Change and Development, before coming in here. We have 3 associate professors, assistant professor 17, and 1 academic consultant. She is on leave. She is studying in Belfast University for her PhD. So she is on study leave. So altogether we are 22. And the most striking feature, we have a School of Studies, Academic Council, School of Studies, Director and the faculty. That's the organ. So we have given a profile of the school where all these things are written. I am just giving a sense of it. And the high point of the school is that we have very young faculty. The median age is just 37. And we have got all PhDs except 1 who is already studying. And 3 verticals, as Sir has already pointed out, basically the academic activities, research and other activities. I'll just quickly go through the slides. In academic activities, we work in 3 dimensions. One is the planning, designing, preparing academic programs and curriculum, is the core component. Then preparing the self-learning material. This is the major task of the core faculty member of the university, because the aim point of delivery is the study centers. But our is basically the facilitators, providing all the supporting materials. So including audio, video material, OER, and then also the print. The self-learning materials are produced by faculty. And providing the learner support services. This is very important for us. We provide these bold type facilities, the counseling. We have 3 types of counseling. Working counseling. Anybody can come in any working day and have consultation with us. Then face-to-face counseling, since we have a model study center, so where we take the classes, and also the online, because
the learner support services. Do you have the contact program of the students?
Yes. That is the face-to-face, sir. Face-to-face second one. That is
how long?
Run in the
in a semester. What is the duration of that face-to-face
class, contact class?
So every Sunday we have that.
No, they come to
Yes, study center. Yes, because we have a model study center here, 8th floor.
Okay.
And the others join in the online. That,
Okay,
the
you have
online,
offline as well as online,
because online,
depending upon their.
online is a new thing, sir. Online is a new thing because in the COVID period, all the LSCs were closed down. So we started online counseling with a fixed routine. So we have a fixed routine for that. So people join through the Google Meet. We have a Google Classroom, and also the other platforms, and then we deliver the counseling sessions.
Okay, in these three, so how would that your Sika helps?
Okay, SICA helps the first of all, the counseling and the mentoring, they have provided a guideline. So they provide the guidelines, policies and then protocols they develop, and the faculty follows those guidelines and protocols. Mentoring guidelines they have produced. So we are following how mentoring is to be done and all these things. And in future probably we are talking with SICA that if we can have some workshops regarding how to do better counseling and all, that will be very helpful. Probably that will be included in the action plan.
What are the criteria while selecting the mentor?
Mentor subject specific. We have two types of kind of groups. I have given the list of all the mentors groups in the folder. We have 56 mentor groups covering 7,000 learners, and then each faculty against how many learners are enrolled. All the WhatsApp group links are given in the folder, detail folder. And the evaluation guidance, including project and all these things, these are also the responsibility of the mentor. Some select aspects of curriculum. The three new programs were introduced during this assessment period. One is the MA Economics, then the BA Social Work and MA Education. 8 academic programs were revised during the phase of 2018 and 20. And we have got all programs have lateral entry. You can complete the one semester and then you can join the next year. And then for BA and also the.
No, lateral entry, the meaning of that word speaks differently. This is entry and exit.
You don't have exit, sir. The university has adopted entry. Those who are not being able to complete the formal education, if they are completing the 2 semesters, one year or 2 semesters, they can join
here.
Yes.
You.
So in any other university, they have completed first semester or 2 semesters, and they, due to various other reasons, they could not continue their program.
Yeah.
So they are eligible to join this university
Yes.
under ODM.
Yes.
It is like that?
Yes.
Oh.
In the third semester.
So whatever credit he has earned during those
that will
2
be
semesters will be carried here.
Yes.
These are accounted for.
Yes.
Okay, good.
So because the lateral entry talks about engineering admission normally.
Yeah.
That's what our chairman wants to say. In engineering, those who complete a diploma program are empowered, are entitled to join in the BE program as a lateral entry.
Yes.
Whereas in social sciences, lateral entry means it gives a different dimension. That's what chairman wants to clarify.
Even so, it may happen that if anybody has passed first semester as taken from X university,
Right.
and he or she wants to take admission in the university in third semester. So, do you have any committee or
Yes.
procedure to
Yes.
match the courses or the
Yes.
content and other
What is
things?
done actually, sir?
Who will do this?
The dean office, dean academic office. So they will apply, and then all the records will be verified with the concerned university.
Equivalence committee.
Equivalence committee.
Equivalence committee will be there.
Equivalence
Yeah.
committee.
And
Equivalence
if,
committee.
if that is allowed,
Yes.
then only enrollment will be given. Enrollment number is issued. Selected.
Okay, sir. Good. Very good. Only one point. Curriculum revision once in. Have you revised the curriculum very often?
Curriculum, sir. Actually, our this cycle ends in 2022 next year. So and 2023 entire thing will change because of NEP and Government of Assam has already adopted.
That is different.
Yeah.
Normally, the revision of curriculum will be
I think 3 years or 4 years we normally see the curriculum revision things.
once in 4 years.
4 years.
Otherwise, what
Because the
UGC
5th
says,
year we need to apply more.
what UGC says. You don't know.
Which one?
What
The revision of
UGC says,
curriculum.
UGC stipulation.
For revision of curriculum.
You don't know.
I think 3 years.
Once in 3 years.
Once in 3 years.
Yeah. Once in
So are you converting and switching over to LOC and CBC?
We are
45 minutes, 45 minutes.
We are
Right
thinking
now,
of-
you do not have
No.
CBCS.
CBCS we don't have, no.
Hmm.
Okay, because these are the new
Sir?
things.
Yeah.
Sir?
ಮುಗ್ದೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವ್ನು
You don't have
30 minutes
CPCA?
ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ.
No, ECS we have.
In 15 minutes.
Next year.
ECS we have, CBCS we have not applied.
Oh.
Because there are certain, the problems with because our program comes in a program-wise recognition. So PPR we prepare, so we give it to UGC. UGC, gives approval according to the PPR. So if any deviation is made, we need an approval from the UGC. So
But in
therefore,
your SSR says that the university is following CPCS.
No, no.
In some
ECS.
courses, in
In
some
some
courses,
courses,
MBA
some
or
programs.
in some courses, in
Oh.
some courses.
But CBCS.
Not on the whole.
No.
No, no, no.
Okay, all right.
But
So as far as social science, there is no
No.
question of
No,
CPCS.
no, CPCS.
All right.
As I have said, that these are the mentoring groups, discipline-wise. The detailed list is already given in the folder. Altogether, we have 56 mentoring groups, and number of learners are 7,000. It's near 7,000 who are enrolled.
How are you managing them? How are you managing them? Do you have any software or the
No, we are
portal?
no, we are having the WhatsApp and Telegram groups
WhatsApp?
and Telegram
And
groups.
Telegram.
Yeah.
Through WhatsApp?
Yes.
WhatsApp and Telegram.
They have created on
Yes,
subject
yes.
wise.
Portal, in the portal, they can
No,
make it the things. WhatsApp is a very hard thing to type that thing.
Till now we are managing with that. But since now this is emerging as an important thing, probably maybe we will go to the centralized portal.
They have that mobile connection.
Application.
no?
Sir,
Mobile apps.
They have a unique application, I think.
No, it is not with that app. It is the simple WhatsApp group through which they are.
Is it?
No, no, sir, this can be effective, let me complete, because there can be some files, PDF files, these can be easily sent
Yeah.
on
Yeah.
WhatsApp.
Actually, during the COVID, we have been
Yes,
doing
this
that
was the
also.
only resource.
Yeah.
Madam, it's okay. But the universities are doing, they are making them e-portals. And through the e-portals, the students are added and they can communicate.
No, that is-
with the-
that is also there.
That is also
There are
there, sir.
That is also there.
many ways, many ways. This is one of the ways.
One of,
Okay.
this is one of the
This
ways.
is one of
Yeah,
the
this is
ways.
one of the ways.
One of the ways, yes.
Okay.
So
They
we have LMS also, learning management system. So that's a different thing, but
Okay,
it's a
sir.
faculty
So one of
component.
these-
Okay. Okay.
And then the next, the research, probably,
Okay.
so we have 4 things to do. We provide research guidance, that is the research program.
PhD.
Then
How
we
many
have-
students are there?
The PhDs are, we have this one, the 25 already awarded,
Okay.
50 there, MPhil pursuing 10, and MPhil 10 awarded. List is already given. in the- in the folder.
PhD.
Okay.
Good number.
And then in terms of publication, we
Out
have
of 47, just for curiosity I am asking, are in your school, how many are eligible to guide?
53, sir, as per
no,
SSR.
we are having 22.
Eligible teachers?
No, in the department,
Uh,
in school.
Out of 22, how many of them are eligible to guide?
18.
18.
That's what?
18 are-
18.
18. Okay. Good. 18, what is the usual requirement? 864.
Yeah, yes, 864.
864.
864.
So, students are not coming for enrollment or you are not taking?
No, sir, the PhDs started very late, sir. It is 2018 onwards we are taking.
It doesn't matter. Actually, that all over India, now, because of that mandatory to become an assistant professor,
Yeah.
there should have been that great
Yes,
demand.
yes, this is compulsory.
Yeah, great demand
For
for registration. So, they have not,
The last year we had got good numbers, but before it was not there, of course, I agree. Maybe because of the ODL thing also, being an open university and running the PhD.
no, now that UGC recognized
Now it
open
is okay.
university also, it is,
So probably because
like
of that,
any
last
other
year we got
university.
good numbers.
yeah.
And we are hoping to get good numbers this
So
year.
why I
as well.
raised this issue,
Yes, sir.
since you are the director of that social science this thing, you can attract that the students from not necessarily that northeast, even for that matter from the whole country,
Right.
because people are waiting. for registration.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
They cry and they cry.
And in
So
most
you-
of the cases, they go to the commercial centers,
Yes.
where no academic assistance is provided.
Yes.
So you can give that the publicity in such a way
Outreach.
through your website and other this thing. It serves two purpose. One is that at least through these research scholars, your teachers that publication also improves. Otherwise, the publication is very poor. Research publications. So submitting at least 2-3 articles during their PhD time is a mandatory.
Yeah.
Yes.
So teacher name also will be there. So you can help that teachers, those who are not that
Yeah.
curious in publishing on their own, at least through some support system.
That's true.
If not from the top to bottom, bottom to top.
Right, sir.
So you can think of.
Right, sir.
Huh? Just keep it in your mind.
Yeah, sure.
That's why I raised that issue.
Yes, yes.
Many students have finished their, what is it called, the coursework
Namaskar.
also, and they're just waiting. So they can always
Come
join
here.
another
Come
university.
cancel my
They
living.
finish the coursework, then take it.
Right.
Sir.
Yes, sir. So should I wait for chairman sir to come or?
They are courses per.
Yes, we have both.
PhD course.
Then sir, publication, we have got, this is the number of publication. And then the Stupas, we have only 3. Then UGC here
Scopus.
24, here into 38, and then others including occasional papers 22. So it's a very young.
What is the highest that impact factor?
Impact factors are probably, I'm not recalling.
In social science, I should not ask.
Yeah.
But otherwise that we
It's
are,
already
we
given
are
that, yes,
lenient nowadays
Yes.
towards this
H
impact.
index and so.
Because of the influence of sir.
Sir, I will not be able to tell that exactly.
I
So
think that's-
it's a near one, because it's not going to be more than that.
H index is
H index, scholar wise, I don't.
the whole education.
As the whole, I have not aggregated.
Okay. No, sir.
And then the next one is the other activities. We put in there all the academic activities that we run, all these things. And then also the extension I have put here. And then just to give you a sense that these are the things that we have done during this. And list is already given in the profile.
So next second cycle, you have to change that. Your extension activity should be the primary one.
Yes. Yeah, yes.
Yes.
Just you highlight that.
Yeah, yes.
Because this is the area where you can really reach the excellence.
Yes. And new initiatives, sir, we have started a web lecture series, inviting some prominent people, and then giving access to the learners to listen to them, and also the memorial lecture in the name of Surya Kumar William. So we have started. The extension, as you have said, we have 4 kinds of extension activities right now. Probably we need to expand that. Awareness, this is one we are putting up, and then also observing special days. For instance, suppose Constitution Day, World Philosopher Day, Women's Day, and Environmental Day. So these come to our school, and we do it interdisciplinary thing, and also inter-school. We join with other schools and then organize those things.
Yes, we read it in the SSR. We are celebrating Yoga Day also.
Yeah.
20th of June.
Yoga. And then induction, because our faculty goes to LSCs during these PCBs, including induction. And then we have a welfare thing also. Welfare-oriented activities. We have a fund. We contribute to that fund, and from the fund, these activities are done at different points of time, including relief during COVID period. So we donated a good amount of money to this fund as well. And then reaching out, as we have said it through Ecolabbo and all, we reach out to learners and others, not necessarily the learners, the general community, to media and All India Radio and Doordarshan and all these things. So these are the things that we are trying to do. Just to give you a sense of these things in one slide, these are the things, the audio-visual material production that we have done, over 200, and another 250 is ready, and complete list is given with the YouTube links in the folder. That's what we have done in the videos. In terms of course, we have 40% of course which is having some employment things, and then cross cutting issues 60%, soft skill 40%, and then I have given a detailed program guide in the folder where all the courses are listed.
Okay.
And we are also having presence in the popular writing, vernacular writing. We do a lot of things, and then invited talks, government assignment, committee members, and all these things. We are faculty are as a part of it. We have collaboration so far with these 5 organizations. We have developed some courses, and also the Assam government, as we have said, that the teachers training program we have done. We have trained 54,000 teachers, in-service teachers during that period. And the government is very happy, and they are also trying to help us by providing online BA program to run at the university. So they are trying to do it with the government Ministry of Education. And negotiation is going on. We are preparing the things for them. Just to give you a sense of enrollment, these are the things, UG and PG. And I have given a flyer.
Have you fixed any that intake
No, we don't have.
Maximum limit.
No limit. No upper limit. And then in terms of equity and access, we try to see the disaggregated figures, how many disadvantaged group people we have enrolled. So that is given in the flyer. We have prepared a flyer. All the disaggregated figures are there.
So tell me one this thing. You being a all social science teachers for that matter, or the behavioral scientists. Yours being a open university, what that skills and techniques, madam is here, you are using, employing in enlisting that the support of that the reach out. Do you have any mechanism to attract them? What kind of the measures that are being taken
To increase the enrollment. And
increase the enrollment? Increase the enrollment speaks that is the short-sightedness like. My this thing is that the very establishment of open university is to increase the grassroots grass enrollment ratio, and also those who have not been able to continue or study should encourage. In that respect, what is your social commitment as a?
Got it.
Huh?
Yes. So basically the thing is that we have a network of 300 study centers. So these 300 study centers are located across the state. So what we do, we conduct programs in the study center level, including awareness. It starts with layers of activities, including awareness, pre-admission counseling, then the induction programs, and also the other programs. So this is the these are the units where we can actually concentrate to get the people from those remote locations.
That's what earlier that there was a program called Each One Teach One.
Okay.
Each One Teach One. Like that, have you adopted a simple strategy?
Yoga.
A simple strategy to that enroll that more, just encouraging your students that you have joined. Next semester that when you enroll that you have to enroll that at least 2 persons for first semester.
Yes.
Have you made any attempt?
No, that-
Any of your colleagues made?
No.
So why can't you take it as
Yeah, we
a
will do that.
as a measure?
Sir, one thing
to-
may I mention here? We have a facility for the Jain prisoners.
Jail prisoners.
That is one this thing. Jail, every open university takes the advantage client that we have that entered jail. That I tell in a jocular
Yeah.
way. Instead of being there, that you are going. My friends, they are oh sir, are you doing that? We are doing in open university then. Instead of being there, you are going there. And that's all the
You can
different.
be search one and teach one.
That's what I'm telling.
That's a good
So
idea.
kindly that see that now that you have 1,20,000.
More than that.
If all teachers through your students' mind, you can that increase it by 2,20,000
Yes.
in 1 year. That you take it as a mission.
Right.
That's why I asked your vice chancellor. You are a visionary. He is not a visionary. He is in charge. Why any vice chancellor is a visionary.
All vice chancellors are visionaries, sir.
Yeah.
With your
That's
Board
what
of
I'm
Quality.
telling. That's what I'm telling. That's what I'm telling. No, just now we came from CQAC. You got my point. There is a meaning in
No, no,
that.
I got it.
Okay.
So, otherwise they have a target. This new vice chancellor is adapt this thing. If he continues, that he will develop.
Yeah.
If he is made regular, that is different issue. The mission, how speed it is, taking that the vision in increasing that enrollment, that matters. That will do that.
No, that's very right, sir.
You are right.
That's very meaningful.
That's very good, yes, extremely.
Please take
And,
note of the suggestions made
Yes,
by
all-
our chairman, sir.
Yes, yes,
Because
Yeah.
these will definitely change the profile of the university.
Right.
List of publications.
No, that
Wait,
speaks.
wait.
So we are your colleagues and we are not the best police inspector here. But you know, when the suggestions are
It is
coming,
only suggestion.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes,
Take it
yes,
out.
yes.
please take
So,
it.
you, in our university, we have a state university, open university, state open university, Karnataka State Open University, you know Mysore. That though it is in controversy still,
Yes.
that the 13, 14 and all these things, you know that are better than me. That they, still they have that, you know, to tune up that 600 and add crores in their account. 600 and add crores. They ask that university, government, for any, this thing, permission, without financial support, that we are ready to carry out this. Immediately they get that the sanction.
Yeah.
Whereas that we.
Regular university are not able to get.
We are not.
We are the steps and send out to
So
them.
you should be like that.
Yeah, yeah.
You should be the leader for all the regular central and state universities.
Yes.
So you
Yeah,
can,
yeah, yeah.
you can, provided that every teacher takes it as a mission.
Right.
Very right.
What's that?
Excuse me, Professor.
That's wonderful.
For increasing the GR, that is cross enrollment ratio, fee structure is one of the
Yes.
attracting points. What is your fee structure?
Fee structure, sir,
For UGM.
we have made it,
Is there any difference between regular university and ODM?
ODL, sir, we have made, right now, for all our undergraduate programs, we are charging per semester 3,000 rupees.
How much?
Per semester 3,000 rupees, and then master 5,000 rupees, which includes the development of the SLM also.
Nothing. Nothing.
Sir, would you repeat?
It is.
3,000.
3,000.
3,000.
3,000 for all undergraduate
All
programs.
undergraduate programs.
Okay, and 6,000 per postgrad.
5,000.
5,000 per postgrad.
For one full
Per
year.
semester. No, per
Semester.
semester.
So it is 5 plus 5.
Nothing.
Yes,
All put
for
together
year,
it comes to 30,000 rupees.
And that is for entire course, 3 plus 3.
3 plus.
30,000 rupees, 24,000 rupees.
But
Very
I think
damn
ours
cheap.
is
Yes,
much
sir.
less, no?
Damn
We're
cheap.
doing one-
Doing good. You increase that the number, increase the number, even the
Public.
publication list.
Well done.
Okay, sir, okay.
Please go.
Over? This thing. Okay. So only 5 minutes that you have.
Yeah, then during
Okay.
the COVID,
Okay.
the most important thing is that during.
Okay, sir, okay.
And then
Future, okay.
future, we are seeing 2-3 things based on the.
Everybody is mentioning NEP. We'll see.
Nobody is reading it.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Okay.
So one is the interdisciplinary and flexible modular academic program and research.
Okay.
Next one is the
Yes.
increased online presence,
Yes, sir.
and then the networking and collaboration. These are the three things that we want to do.
Okay.
And with that,
One is research, one is ICT, another one is the extension.
yes,
These are the hallmark of NEP.
yes.
You have sufficient scope to
Developing
extend your
initiatives.
arms.
Right.
Kindly do that.
Right.
Okay, thank you very much.